So I'm in Calcutta today, and I'm very fortunate because I've been doing a lot of street food and I've had a lot of help from some very good friends from the Calcutta Walks. And I'm actually at their bungalow cottage here, which basically is in the heart of Calcutta. And it's a beautiful building that's been restored. It's an old traditional kind of Bengali style house. And they very kindly allow me to rustle up some of the dishes that I've seen on the street so far. So first one is Aloo Dum. So the main thing about this dish is it's about the vegetables. Vegetables are key to the ingredients of Indian cuisine, and especially here in Calcutta. So first step that we're going to do is we're going to do some tempering of spices. So I'm going to get my bay leaf here, just pop that into there. I'm also going to get a little bit of my chili. I'm going to pop this into here. I'm also going to get some cardamom as well, maybe about 3 or 4, and then also a little bit of cinnamon as well. Not too much because you don't want it to be overly strong, especially the Indian cinnamon is so fragrant that you don't need much. So let's put a little bit of mustard oil in there as well. Now, Bengali cuisine is very well known for mustard oil. Some of it's because it has a higher cooking point than normal oil as well. I've had an amazing experience so far. Types of different potato dishes here. But one of the key dishes that we're doing here is very much a traditional kind of home cooked recipe that people will have pretty much every day. There's always got to be some sort of vegetable dish on the table. So we're just frying off, tempering these spices and just allowing the smells to come out and get fragrant. And then we're going to add in the onions first. Add in some onions here, sweat them off. Get them nice and brown. So the idea is to brown and caramelize the onions here. And then you're gonna add in a little bit of your ginger garlic paste. What I've noticed out of the cuisine in Bengali so far is that the curries and the dishes are generally quite sweet. So you have to be a little bit careful on adding too much sugar, but they do like it sweet here. It's one of their signatures that they have. And a little bit of turmeric. Here you go. I'm gonna add in a little bit of chili powder, also the spicy chili as well. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of cumin powder. I'm gonna add a little bit of coriander powder. There we go. And we're gonna mix that into here. So just stir that around. So we're gonna add a little bit of ghee in there as well. There we go. And then we're gonna add in some potatoes here. Pop that into here. There we go. Look at that. It's all coming together nicely. And then I'm gonna put in some water, which I have here. And there, we'll pop that in. Then we're just going to reduce this down to have this kind of lovely potato aloo dum. And then now we're going to allow this to simmer for a little bit. So I think the dish is almost done. The final component is we're going to add in a little bit of coriander into it. There we go. Love coriander, put it all in, why not? Very simple, very quick, and traditionally served with bread or puris or rice. There we go. Here is our Aloo Dum. Let's have a taste. All the spices are there. The richness of it as well. The sauce is fantastic. This is a very easy dish to do at home. So thumbs up, and I've learned a lot already from Calcutta.